In today's video, I'm going to teach you how easy it is to customize the appearance of your Acuity scheduling page. So whether you're setting it up for the first time or looking to give it a fresh new look, I've got you covered with this straightforward guide. First things first, head over to Acuity Scheduling. Once you're there, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll want to select Scheduling Page so you can see a preview of how things look currently. This preview is your starting point and will give you a good sense of what clients experience when they interact with your scheduling interface. Now, once the preview has loaded up, you'll want to click on Styles. This is where the real fun begins. The style options let you coordinate the page with your existing website's aesthetic or experiment with different background colors. Maybe you want a scheduler header that pops with a rich, bold color, or perhaps subtle and muted tones are more your style. Not to worry, both are easily achievable here. You can also adjust the fonts using the options available. Font choices can have a big impact, making your text stand out or providing a more understated feel. Tweak these elements until you're satisfied. After you've finished customizing your styles, it's crucial to remember to click Save. This ensures that all the changes you've put effort into are properly captured and applied. Otherwise, you'll have to go back and redo them, and nobody wants that. The next step is to head over to the Settings section. This is where you can really start to personalize the page. Upload your logo to make sure your brand is front and center. You'll also want to add in your industry and business name to provide context and build trust with potential clients. There's also space to include a short description, which is a fantastic opportunity to offer a brief but impactful introduction to your business. Don't forget to adjust any other preferences while you're here, as these small details can make a big difference. If you're feeling adventurous and want to push your customization even further, consider using CSS. With some basic CSS skills at your disposal, you can further refine the look of your scheduling page, giving you even more control over the appearance. And that's it. Setting up these customizations on your Acuity scheduling page is a critical step for presenting a professional and cohesive online presence, which is essential for effective lead collection. Thank you for watching. I really hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, take care and happy customizing.